If you have yet to venture into meat snack production but are considering it, we highly recommend viewing a video tutorial on launching a new production line. You may have already encountered our fully robotic system designed for producing meat sticks. We are now excited to introduce the SAS200 automatic system, which boasts capabilities for cutting to specific lengths and shaping both cylindrical forms and flat strips. This system is perfectly suited for creating fish snacks that complement beer or crafting meat sticks from any meat variety. By altering the recipe, it is also possible to produce treats for pets. Unlike the robotic version, this system requires the operator to manually feed the tray onto the conveyor. Our system comprises three components: a gear-driven sausage stuffer, a loader, and a conveyor equipped with a forming and cutting block, all manufactured by us. It meets CE standards and is stocked in our European warehouse. It uses the same type of raw materials as our manual RK50U model. These materials should have a consistency akin to salami, with a uniform particle size of up to 3 by 3 millimeters and maintained at a temperature between 0 degrees Celsius and plus 5 degrees Celsius. Depending on the raw materials used, additives such as phosphates, E450, starter cultures, transglutaminase, E575, or alginate might be included during mince preparation. If the mince has been stored in a cold room, it must be thoroughly mixed in a mixer for 1 minute before being loaded into the hopper of the sausage stuffer to ensure an even consistency. The sausage stuffer features a 200-liter hopper and feeds the mince under pressure through gears that act as a pump. An internal auger within the hopper ensures even distribution of the mince. The system employs a modular hydraulic loader to transfer 200 kilograms of mince from a storage bin. Under pressures exceeding 10 bar, the mince is channeled into the mold, while the conveyor simultaneously advances the tray. The 3-meter-long conveyor, powered by servo motors, allows for speed adjustments, doubling the output of filled trays. The multi-stream mold can accommodate nozzles for both cylindrical and flat forms. The maximum width for trays is 600 millimeters. A pneumatic guillotine slices the product, and the system includes a water nozzle for cleaning both the guillotine and conveyor. An operator places an empty tray at one end, which swiftly moves under the nozzles. The system can form up to 24 sticks, each with a diameter of 10 millimeters, simultaneously. The operator adjusts the length of the sticks via an LCD display, and the system cuts them to lengths ranging from 90 to 900 millimeters. Another operator then removes the filled tray from the opposite end and places it on a trolley for subsequent drying. We produce trolleys with the same external dimensions as standard smoking trolleys, yet each contains 30 rows that hold 2 trays each. These trays are then conveyed to the drying chamber. Any type of drying chambers available at your facility, such as thermal or climate chambers, can be utilized. However, from our experience, the optimal chambers for processing are those used for making raw, dried products like salami. These chambers maintain temperatures not exceeding plus 35 degrees Celsius and use refrigeration units with minimal convection to prevent the outer layer of the sticks from hardening. With this method of moisture removal, depending on the product's diameter, it can be ready in 12 to 18 hours. The product can be stored for up to 180 days in flow-pack packaging with gas injection to maintain freshness. If using traditional sausage thermal chambers set at around 60 degrees Celsius, the product can be prepared in about 5 hours. The primary goal is to reduce the moisture content of the meat or fish to 50% of its original mass, though this may slightly alter the product's properties. The simplest method of packaging is vacuum sealing. A similar technique is employed for producing pet food sticks, but moisture is removed until only 30% of the original mass remains.